Aloha! Today we're starting our tour at Launiupoko Beach Park. This is a great place for surfers, paddleboarders, and there's even a nice little spot there for the keiki. Right now we're heading up to the base of the West Maui Mountains and the house known as Launiupoko Ocean View Estate. And if you're wondering why this is called Launiupoko Ocean View Estate, well, just take a look for yourself. This would be a great home, or maybe even your second home here on Maui. Can you imagine you and your family hanging out on this large, beautiful lanai? Or maybe just you and the buds? Or maybe you just want to hang out by the pool, maybe have a barbecue, or get out and have some front lawn football on that big yard out there. This house has a lot of detail and character and plenty of space to spread out and enjoy the Maui lifestyle. It's got a great kitchen with solid wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and nice appointments. Right down to the pineapple pulls. Let's go downstairs and look at the bedrooms. The master is en suite. And this is the view that you'll wake up to every morning. The second bedroom, currently being used as a gym, also opens up to the pool and the view. The third bedroom is great for a kid's room or an office. There are some nice storage areas on the property, and as you may know, Launiupoko is ag land. So the owner has installed some easy to care for citrus trees and your very own orchard with champagne mango, avocado, more citrus trees, and a nice row of cacao. So if you'd like to know more about the Launiupoko Ocean View Estate, or any of the other fine properties here on Maui, contact me, Lahaina at lahainalee.com. From Launiupoko Ocean View Estate, this is Lahaina saying aloha.